I know many of you were feeling confused and worried because the Grok AI we used before to generate videos has now been updated and it's not working like it's used to. But the good news is you don't need to worry at all because today I bought three powerful AI tools for you that are not only easy to use but also free. And with their help, you can create high quality videos even without any editing skills. So in this video, we are going to do an interesting experiment. I'll use the same prompt but generate it in three different styles: documentary, realistic, and cartoon style. This will help you clearly understand which tool works best for each type of content. So if you also want to take your videos to the next level, make sure to watch till the end. So let's get started. So first, let's start with Qwen AI and see its results. Basically, Qwen AI is a powerful AI chatbot that works just like GPT, but along with that, you can also generate high quality videos in it. This tool is simple and beginner friendly, and you can easily create your desired scenes using text prompts. For documentary style, Qwen AI is quite impressive because it automatically adds realistic textures, shadows, and cinematic camera movements, which makes the video look professional and visually engaging. So, if you want authentic and detailed visuals for your story, then Qwen AI is a reliable and versatile option. So, first we open the Qwen AI website and you will find the link in the description box. If you're using it for the first time, then you'll need to log in or sign up. You can easily sign in using your Google account. Here you'll see a simple interface just like GPT. At the bottom, you'll find a text box where you can write your prompt, then click on the plus icon and you'll see some options. From there, we need to click on create videos. And after that, you need to select the video aspect ratio. Here I choose 16:9. And finally, I enter my ready-made prompt so that Qwen AI can start generating the video. So now our video has been generated. Let's take a look. You can clearly notice how amazing the quality of the video created by Qwen AI. Each video clip is around 5 seconds long, which gives a short and impactful feel. In the same way, now we'll also check a second prompt so we can see how Quinai perform in the different styles. So you can see that the second style we tested, which is the realistic modern real life scenes, also generated with amazing quality. The details, lighting and environment look very realistic. And now let's check our third style, which is the cartoon style, and see what kind of results we get. So you can see that our cartoon style has also been generated and it's look really impressive. Now we have seen all three styles: documentary, realistic and cartoon, and each one has given very strong results in its own way. Qwen AI is truly powerful and user-friendly tool. It can generate high-quality videos even from simple prompts, and its interface is so easy that it's perfect for beginners. So if you want to download your video, you can simply click on the download button and save it easily. And now let's move to our second tool, Arena AI. Its interface is very clean and user-friendly where beginners can easily navigate. First, we open the website and you'll find the link in the description box. If you're using it for the first time, you'll need to log in or sign up, which you can easily do with your Google account. One unique feature of Arena AI is that it provides two video generations for every prompt. So you can choose which version you like the most. Also, its interface is visually very smooth and organized, which makes it very easy for beginners to use. So here you'll also find a text box with different options. We need to click on the video icon, after which I enter my ready-made prompt and generate the first style, documentary style, to see the result. So our video has been generated. Now let's check both options.
The ancient Maya civilization flourished in these dense jungles for centuries, leaving behind towering temples and intricate carvings.
Built more than 2,000 years ago, these temples once formed the spiritual heart of a thriving city. Time and desert winds have worn.
You can clearly see that both videos are generated with amazing quality. One more thing, each video is around 6 seconds long, and this 6 seconds clip contains a watermark which you can easily remove later during editing. Now let's try our next prompt, which is the realistic style, and see how Arena AI generates the output. So you can see that both versions have been generated really amazing. And now in the same way, we generated our last prompt as well. So you can see that both versions of a cartoon style have also been generated. Let's check them.
place. It's like someone spilled a whole box of fun on the world.
And it got everywhere.
Watch this hop.
Whoa, giant flying fish! That's
Personally, I like this result more than Qwen AI. And yes, once your desired video is generated, you can simply click the download button to easily save it. So let's move on to our third and final tool, Meta AI, which is now very useful for video generations as well. Just write a simple prompt and this tool creates high quality video clips for you. You don't need any designing skills and it makes your video looks professional and visually engaging, perfect for faceless or AI-based content. The Meta AI interface is clean and user-friendly. Just like Arena AI and Qwen AI, you'll find a prompt box here with some useful options available below it. However, there are two ways to create a video here. If you click directly on create video and enter your prompt, you don't get the option to select an aspect ratio and the video generates automatically with default settings. But if you generate an image first, you get the option to decide which aspect ratio to use for the video, giving you both flexibility and control. So first we'll enter our first prompt into the Meta AI and generate an image while selecting the 16:9 ratio. This way we'll get 4 images ready. We should download the one we like the most first. If we animate it directly from here, we won't get the exact result we want. That's why we download the image, then click on create video, click the plus icon to upload our image and enter our prompt again to generate the video. This gives us full control and ensure the video output is perfectly accurate. So as you can see, our video has been generated in a fantastic way. We'll generate a second prompt using the same method. First, we get the images ready, then download the one we like the best and convert it into a video again. This process gives us a perfect high quality output for every style. So you can see that our second style video is also ready and now it has been generated amazingly, getting exactly the result we wanted. Now we'll prepare our third style in the same way. So as you can see, we used all three tools, Qwen AI, Arena AI, and Meta AI to generate the same prompt and we got such fantastic results. Each tool gave an impressive output in its own way and we can clearly see how each style looks different and creative through this experiment. We also found out which tool performs best for each specific style. So if you also want to explore your creativity and create high quality videos easily, then you should definitely try these tools. The links are available in the description box. Remember, consistency is what makes your videos stand out from the average. If one tool doesn't work, don't worry. You have plenty of other tools to try. At the same time, add value to your storytelling and creativity because that's what keeps your audience engaged until the very end. So if you like the video, like and subscribe and let me know in the comments which topic or niche you want to see a video next. And yes, if you want to know how to start a faceless YouTube channel, then click on this video. Here I show you a step-by-step guide on how to use AI tools to create faceless content. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.